Let's start with inflation. We're going to find out if it's true that hamburgers will double in 10 years. The price of a hamburger will double in 10 years. Okay, go ahead. What did we say about inflation?
4% per year.
4% per year. And for most people, they think, oh, 4%, 4%, 4%. That's going to be 20% in 5 years, right? I mean, it should be up to $120. Very easy. However, this is what actually happens. You take 4% of 100, that becomes 104. Now we take 4% of 104. So instead of adding $4, $4.60. And then the next year, it's 4% of 108.60 becomes $6, $7, $9. After 5 years, it's 130, not 120. And so this kind of thing is called the rule of 72, because what you do is you're going to divide. Here's 4% divided into 72. It gives us 18. When I was a teenager, I thought, it takes 25 years to double. Actually, it's 18 years. And the message here is, go ahead, read that.
Inflation arrives sooner than expected.
Yes. Inflation arrives sooner than we expected. Now, let's talk about a guy named Ronald Read. He liked buying stocks and holding. Now, he was a janitor. So how much did he earn each year?
50,000.
Yeah. I mean, he did pretty well, you know. It was a union state, that sort of thing. And in 40 years, how much did he make? $2 million. Sounds like a nice number, but when you think about it, a lot of us spend on clothes, rent, a car. So we probably end with about $1,000 each year. And if we're lucky, when we're 55, we got 100,000. And we have to live for 35 years off of that. And you know, you put that money in the bank and wait, you're only going to get about 4%. So somehow you've got to live on $4,000 a year. Now, someone like Ronald, because he bought stocks and held, some of the stocks shared profit with him, and so he ended up with $8 million. Remember, he saved $25,000 each year. Over 40 years, he saved $1 million. So when he retired, he had $1 million. But he took that million and left it in the stock market. In order to maintain your purchasing power, you have to double your money at least twice. So remember, 18 years to double. This guy's trying to live another 35 years. So that means if he has $1 million, after 18 years, he has to have $2 million. And after another 18 years, he needs $4 million. So you need $4 million to be able to have what people have, like, you're a millionaire, hooray! You know, if somebody says he's a millionaire, he needs to have 4 million in order to be able to buy hamburgers at the same price. Because after 18 years, surprise, each hamburger is going to be $48. You're going to live to see a hamburger. You're paying $48 for one hamburger instead of 12. And that's the lesson for financial algebra. If you have questions, the thing to do is to go here. Go ahead. Send a question. And this is a phone number connected to WhatsApp. WhatsApp! Do you have WhatsApp? Oh, that's smart. Because something like 4 billion people have that.